So you have a screaming toothache. Well, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I'm going to explain to you on how to cure your toothache with home remedies. There's several different ways on how you can do that. First, you can actually rinse with warm saltwater rinses. That will help with any inflammation in the area, which in return will lessen the pain. You can also rinse with hydrogen peroxide. It's a great home remedy method which acts like a warm saltwater rinse. It helps with the inflammation and in return relieving the pain. You can also rinse with whiskey. Not that many people know about it, but it is a great home remedy for toothaches. All you would really need to do is you just place a little bit in a cup, swish around in your mouth for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then spit it out. This will then in return start to cause like a numbing effect in your mouth, which in return would reduce your toothache pain. Another great method too is eating yogurt. The good bacteria in yogurt will balance out the bad bacteria that you have in your mouth. So eating lots of yogurt, swishing with hydrogen peroxide, rinsing with whiskey. These are all great methods for home remedies on how to cure a toothache. Once again, my name is Michelle, and I'm with Solutions, and I just explained to you on how you can cure a toothache with great home remedies.